AI isn't coming for your job. It's already sitting in the next cubicle. From content creators to coders, from marketers to customer support, generative AI is transforming how we work. But here's the twist. Those who know how to talk to AI still have jobs. That's where prompt engineering comes in. It's not just a buzzword. It's a new kind of literacy. And if you're like Tyler, a customer service representative working in a big company, you're probably wondering the same thing. How do I stay relevant? Tyler's job is safe, for now. But he's noticed the signs. Chatbots that sound more human. AI assistants resolving basic queries in seconds. The writing's on the wall. But rather than panic, Tyler takes a different route. He decides to understand the system. He discovers prompt engineering, the art of crafting precise inputs that guide AI systems to produce the output you need. It's not about coding. It's about asking smarter questions. So what is a prompt? A prompt is the instruction or question you give to an AI model like ChatGPT. It's how you steer the model's behavior. And just like a good question can spark a great conversation, a well-crafted prompt can unlock powerful, accurate results. Tyler learns that there are proven techniques to do this. Zero-shot prompts, where the AI is asked to perform a task without examples. Few-shot prompts, where a couple of examples guide the model. Chain-of-thought prompting, which helps the AI think out loud for more logical responses. And even tree of thoughts, where multiple lines of reasoning are explored. But crafting prompts manually isn't the only option. There are tools built for professionals. IBM Watson X Prompt Lab, a collaborative environment for testing and refining prompts. Spellbook, for legal and business professionals who need AI to work within strict constraints. Dust, which helps teams build workflows around prompt iterations and feedback. Tyler starts practicing. He's surprised how much control he actually has. With the right prompt, he's not just using AI, he's directing it. This isn't science fiction anymore. Prompt engineering is becoming an essential skill, no matter your job title. And for people like Tyler, and maybe even you, this is the chance to move from being at risk to being in demand. In part 2, we'll break down the exact methods Tyler learns to write impactful prompts and how you can apply them in your own workflow. Like, subscribe, and check the show notes below for a free toolkit of prompt engineering techniques and recommended tools. The future belongs to those who know how to talk to machines. Let's get fluent. In part 1, we saw how Tyler, just like many professionals today, began his journey into the world of AI and prompt engineering. But learning about AI is only the beginning. The real opportunity comes when you start to use that knowledge to solve problems, create value, and yes, make money. Tyler now understands that prompt engineering isn't just about typing clever questions into ChatGPT. It's about mastering techniques that guide generative models, so they produce exactly what you need, when you need it. Let's break down a few of the key methods Tyler's been experimenting with. Text-to-text prompting is the bread and butter of large language models. Tyler learns to test and refine prompts that turn a vague question into a specific, structured response. Whether he's drafting emails, analyzing customer feedback, or rewriting ad copy, it's all about clarity, format, and intent. Then there's the chain of thought approach. This technique guides the model to reason step by step, just like a human. With chain of thought prompting, Tyler can ask the AI to show its work, whether he's debugging code, writing logic puzzles, or breaking down complex tasks. It doesn't stop there. The tree of thought method takes it one level higher, literally branching possibilities like a decision tree. Here, Tyler prompts the model to explore multiple paths, then rank or vote on the best option. It's a game changer for brainstorming business ideas, writing creative content, or comparing strategies. But how do you choose the right prompt technique? Well, experts say it depends on your goal. Are you trying to persuade, analyze, summarize, or imagine? Each use case benefits from a different structure, and learning how to adapt is what separates amateurs from pros. And here's where it gets interesting. By mastering these techniques, Tyler starts to offer his skills to others. He builds prompts for marketing teams. He designs chatbot flows for small businesses. He helps course creators write better lesson plans using AI. The future of human-crafted prompts is bright, but evolving. Yes, AI is powerful, but behind every great AI output is a human who knew how to ask the right question. And that human could be you. So whether you're in customer service like Tyler, or a writer, teacher, marketer, or just curious, Learning how to prompt effectively could be the most valuable skill you pick up this year. And our journey continues in the next episode, where we open another exciting case file on how to use AI in real life. This time, diving into real-world applications and projects. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it, and check the show notes for bonus materials, practice prompts, and helpful tools. See you in the next one.